So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, my name is Vijay and today I am going to show you how you can check your graphic card in Windows 10. If you have any query, if you don't know which graphic card right now you are using into your computer, then this video for you where you will learn how to check graphic card. And friend, this is my request to you guys. If you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every week, so you will learn something new. So friend, let's jump into our computer and learn how to check graphic card in Windows 10. Okay friends, so now we are on my computer and here we are going to check graphic card. So what you will do, simply right click on your desktop and then select display settings. So now this is my Windows 10 computer, that's why it is showing this type of layout. Here we are on setting page with display section. So right now we are going in bottom and then click here advanced display settings. So friend, here we are right now on advanced display setting page and simply click on this display adapter properties for display 1, and this is our adapter page where you can check your graphic card name. So friend, this is the adapter type and here my graphic card name, that is NVIDIA GeForce GT 610. So friend, this is my first method where you can easily find your graphic card. So right now we are going to move on second method. So close this one and then simply click on this search here to search. Simply search device manager and here you can see best match device manager control panel. Just click on that. So you will get this page, device manager. Simply find out display adapter. So friend, this is display adapters. Just click on this arrow and here you will see your graphic card. If maybe you are using 2 or 3 graphic card, so you will see different list over here. So friend, right now we are going to click on that, so you will get this pop-up box. Friend, if maybe you have any problem in your graphic card, then you can simply resolve from here. Simply click on this driver and maybe if your driver is outdated, then you can update from here. What you will do, simply click on this update driver, so you will get this pop-up box where you can easily search your driver. So here you can install your driver by 2 methods. If maybe you have already downloaded your driver in your local machine, then you can click over here and select the path where your driver is saved. Okay, so right now we are going to search driver online. So simply search automatically for update driver software. Just click on this. So what happened, this software will search driver online and best driver find for you, and then you will get and install into that. So friend, right now my driver is updated, that's why it is showing this message. So friend, this tutorial too, you can also update your driver from here. If you want to disable your graphic card, simply click on this disable device, so your graphic card will disable. And if you want to uninstall your device, then simply click on this uninstall button, so your graphic card will automatically uninstall. So friend, this is the tutorial I want to share with you guys how you can know your graphic card and how you can update your graphic card into your system. And if maybe you want to disable your graphic card, then simply you can do by these things. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on blue like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. And friend, also mention which things you like into this video, so that will motivate me to make like these videos every week for you guys, so you will learn something new. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel because I am uploading these type of tutorials every week, so you will learn something new. So friend, let's see next video. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video.